Everything about that night is just replaying over in my head.
LaQuita Murray goes back and forth between grief and fear.
Anything can happen to me. You know, they may want to hurt my family even more.
In late March, her 25-year-old son, Quentin, was shot and killed as he was driving home from a bar. Just days later, police arrested Jonathan Howard and Merrill Hall for the murder.
He was all about family. Nothing come before family with him.
Court documents say Howard was wearing an ankle monitor at the time of the murder because of a previous charge for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. He got out of jail just 5 months before allegedly killing Murray. And just 5 days after he was arrested for this murder, he bonded out again and is again wearing an ankle monitor.
He was hunted down and executed. To even consider and let them out, I feel it's a slap in the face.
Our criminal justice system is not working.
Manny Ramirez leads the Fort Worth Police Officers Association and is currently running for county office. He believes communities are at risk when high-level offenders are released from jail.
And that's the problem, is whenever our officers are out there day in and day out doing their very best to get violent criminals off the streets, but they're let out the back door the very next day.
Merrill Hall, the other alleged shooter in the case, is also out of jail. The district attorney's office requested a $150,000 bond for Howard, but he was instead given a $10,000 bond.
People don't want to cooperate. People don't want to talk to the police. They feel the police is not going to do anything. Do what you was designed to do.
It's common sense. This is a violent person, and if you let them out of jail, they're going to do it again.
Jonathan Howard is not the only case. In late August, Adam Aguirre was arrested for murder, and according to court documents, he was wearing an ankle monitor at the time of the killing for allegedly shooting someone else months earlier.
Because it's happening more often than we'd like to admit. I mean, folks are being let out for violent crimes on low bonds.
We reached out to the district attorney's office several times, but they declined to comment. Bonds that are tough for defendants to pay are criticized for punishing poverty or leading innocent people to plead guilty. But Ramirez and Murray says it's the repeat offenders who are the reason for worry.
You're able to touch your family. I never get to touch my son, hug my son, hear his voice again. I have to go on Facebook and look at old videos.
A new law says defendants charged with violent offenses must post a cash bond, and it eliminated personal recognizant bonds. But critics of the law say it simply widens the disparity between those with and without money and doesn't create a uniform system to judge an offender's risk.
The ones that have histories of robbery, of murder, these people need to be behind bars because it's safer for our society when they are.
I feel that the system it's not for us.
LaQuita Murray isn't a politician. She's a parent and believes her son Quentin is the victim of a problem that needs a solution.
I need justice. I need the system to do what they was designed to do.
It's not working because we have folks that have terrible criminal histories that are out there victimizing, re-victimizing our communities, and that's unacceptable.
In Fort Worth, I'm William Joy.